My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 61,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio and media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our two sunroofs. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.